lovely chef. Today I'm going to make honey drops for my dad because he got cold. I want him to feel better. That's why I'm making honey drops for him. For making honey drops, we need sugar, water, ginger juice, honey, lime juice, cloves. Take a bowl and put sugar in it. Water, ginger juice, honey, lime juice, cloves. Now let's mix them up. Mix together everything until it is very good and nice. Boil this on a stove for 20 minutes. Boil this in a slow flame for 20 minutes. Wow, smell nice. Take a butter paper and put drops on the butter paper. Let's put more drops. Otherwise it's going to be harder, so I have to hurry up very quick. Dry the drops for 10 minutes. Our honey drops are ready. Let's put powdered sugar so that they won't stick each other. Mix all together. Our honey drops are ready. I'm going to store in this box so that when my family or me gets cold or cough, we just take one. And I also made a lollipop for me. When I get cold or cough, I just eat it. I will try one of the honey drops. So I'm taking one of it. The taste is very good and nice. If you got cough or cold, you have to try my recipe. I hope you all like my video. Please like and share and subscribe. Try it at home if you got cold or cough, because this is for our cold and cough. Bye bye. Mwah.